Alright, just pour the water in. Put the lid on. Gotta wash it out. Let's set it on the base here. Hit the button. And let's see what we got going on. Making a little coffee for my little French press here this morning. And it's already starting to boil. You see those little bubbles down there at the bottom. Got just under a liter of water in there. This is the second time I've used it. Made some coffee yesterday afternoon after it came in, just to test it. And if you do touch the glass, it is going to get warm. Dogs are ready for coffee this morning, as you can tell. And when it senses it is boiling, it shuts itself off. So let's see how long it takes here. We're just right at a little minute 45 seconds here. My daughter thought this would be good for making noodles too, faster than boiling water on the stove. She's probably right. Got a minute 50 here since we hit the start button. And if yesterday was any indication, it was really, really hot. So let's see what it is. I'm going to go ahead and hit the off button. Just lift up. Pour into my French press here. And that's it. Make your coffee. Have a good one.
So if you're a big tea drinker or you're just looking for something, you know, to boil your water really quickly, I highly recommend this. You push the down button, boils the water. It boils it actually pretty quickly. The top is like super easy to take off too. I feel like it's like almost magnetic in a way. And yeah, I bought one. I bought my sister actually bought one too. She absolutely loved it when she saw it at my house. Like you can see how quickly that water starts to boil. And it hasn't even been like a minute yet. Yeah, super easy to use. This handle is very sturdy. I feel like I always get nervous about like spilling or like, you know, I don't know, the handle slipping or something like that and then hot water burning me everywhere, but this thing is actually very high quality. And look how quickly. You can't even hear it. And usually I don't really like my tea like extremely hot because I'm a wuss, so I'll put some like cold water in it afterwards. But yeah, this is great for like cooking ramen or like making teas, boiling water just to, you know, cook something like on the stove. It just cuts your cooking time down in half, or even less, honestly. I enjoy it. I use it every single day. And hope this video helps someone.
So I absolutely love this product. The color is not the same as they advertise. It's a little bit darker, but it looks beautiful, and it can take up to 1.8 liters of water, and it takes quite some time to boil the water, like especially when you have it fully loaded. I think it takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and when it's almost done you can see these bubbles and it switches off by itself. you know, when the light goes off, you know that it's switched off and it's ready to use. I also like that you can take this entire lid out, so it's very easy to fill the water. All in all, I think it's a great product. It feels a little heavy when you fill the water like to its maximum capacity, but otherwise I think it's a great product. I love it.
Boiling. It's cool to watch it. Eek.
I'm not sure if you can see it, but you see it's leaking. It's leaking from the seal. It's not sealed right here, so it keeps leaking from there and leaves water all over my counter. That's why you see a towel underneath of it. Very disappointed in Chefman.
This is my Chefman. At the bottom, at the base where the silver is, the stainless steel, is close to it. But as you come around in the front, it gets loose. And it's got a big gap right here. That's the reason why I'm not satisfied with the look. It's up on my counter. So I'm not satisfied with that part.